Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video we're going to be doing the February BellaBabes unboxing, so let's get into it. So sorry I look tired with the makeup on. I just got home from work and I see this BellaBabes waiting for me, and I was like, I could not wait a second to put any makeup on, do nothing. I have to get into my BellaBabes because I'm so excited, so it is what it is. But yeah, let's open the box. So another, you know, plastic bag. I think that they're doing something here because it used to be in a cardboard box all the time, but it's the second month in a row that they've done this, so maybe something's happening. Ooh. Ooh, not a lot in here. I guess you could say it looks empty. And the theme is Sun Kissed, and there's a list of the products on the back. So the first thing in the box is this Palmer's Coconut Oil Charcoal Detoxifying Sheet Mask. Draws out impurities for clearer skin. The card says, look no further, we have found the perfect quick fix for dry, dull and generally blah skin, delivering instant hydration boost and helping lock in moisture. This is an essential for your skincare pamper sessions. You will receive either coconut charcoal detoxifying or coconut water hydrating. It's $5 from Chemist Warehouse, Priceline or Big W. So I really wish I got the hydrating one, but nonetheless, I think I might actually do this mask now since I've got a very clean face. So let's do some detoxification. Whoa, that just squirted all across the room as I open that. Ooh, smells like Palmer's cocoa butter. It smells so good. Haven't done a sheet mask in ages, so this should be fun. Ooh. I hate the whole unfolding them thing. It's like so annoying. I'll bloody unfold this thing. Smells so good, like I wish there was smell-o-vision. I wonder how long I'm supposed to leave this on for. I should have checked that before doing it. Right. Just gonna put that on my neck. Alright, so I'm gonna relax for 10 minutes and I'll be right back. Okay? See you in 10.
11 minutes later.
Alright, so I'm back and it says to take it off and massage the oils. When you guys use your mask, just remember it's gonna smell amazing. Like, this smells so good. Oh. That was really nice. Like, my skin feels so good. It feels so smooth. Like, I could just sit here stroking my face forever. So that was really good. Go BellaBabes on that one. Let's see what's else in this box, because I have not even been looking the past 10 minutes. It's been killing me. So I've got this. It is the Elucent Whitening Exfoliating Cleanser. Send dull lackluster skin packing with Elucent's cleanser. Gentle enough for daily use, will remove dead skin cells and impurities to reveal brighter looking and smoother skin. Available at Chemist Warehouse, My Chemist and their website. So I feel like whitening is not the most appropriate term. Maybe if they wanted to say anti-redness or something. I feel like a whitening product is just cause for trouble. Not so much BellaBabes' fault, but maybe the producer of the product in the first place. I'm still willing to give it a go, as I really do need to even my skin tone and do have a lot of redness. So I'll definitely give it a go. I'll probably just pop it in my shower, but yeah, like I'll give it a go. It's something I've definitely not tried before, so yeah, interesting product. Next we have this. I actually don't have this on my, oh wait no, it's the bonus. So it's Pukka Blackcurrant Beauty Tea. So on the packet it says deliciously deep purple organic fruits to help you glow inside and out. So I guess it's like a tea to sort of make you beautiful on the inside to make your outsides beautiful. I've never been a tea drinker, so whenever we get teas in these BellaBoxes, they never get drunk. I don't drink tea, that's just me. And it's only one tea bag, but I'll save it should someone ever come to my home who needs tea. You never know, maybe I should try it for this video. It's blackcurrant, so maybe it'll taste good, or I'll have one sip of it and it'll be a waste. So yeah, not a product for me, but I see other people really liking it. I've got a Pantene product. So we could have gotten either this one, so it's a Pantene conditioner. There's two different types of conditioners. So we've got the foam conditioner, which is what I've got, and or you could have gotten a 3-minute miracle conditioner, or yeah, so of those two. So this one says Pantene has conditioner for every hair type. If you find yourself looking for an air-light conditioner, use Pantene Repair Protect Foam Conditioner, which provides 100% conditioning, 0% weight. It transforms fine damaged hair into silky soft and free-flowing hair. So it's available at Coles, Woolworths, Chemist Warehouse and Priceline. Now, I'm glad I got this one rather than just the normal conditioner, because a foam conditioner sounds so exciting. Like, I'm so excited to try this. Like, I don't usually use conditioners in the shower. I usually use leave-in conditioners afterwards just because I feel like they just do a better job for my hair. But I'm really excited to try this. I kind of just want to see what it looks like. Ooh. Ooh, look at that. It's like, ooh, it smells so good. Yum. But yeah, I was really keen to see that I got this because that looks like so much fun and I can't wait to try this out. I know I usually don't like getting like skincare and hair care products, but this looks really interesting and I really want to try this. And it just smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. The next product, super exciting. It is the Manna Kadar Blue Mascara. So I love receiving mascaras and BellaBoxes because I never really have to go out and buy mascaras now. So I absolutely love that they're including makeup and it's full size instead of a sample size. It's $29, available at the Manna Kadar website, and it says take lashes to the next level with Manna Kadar's Blue Mascara. With a cutting edge wand, you are one easy sweep away from intense volume for a fuller, sexier look. So I really like the packaging. Nice rose gold. Ooh, look at that. That's some interesting packaging. I kind of don't want to open it just because I don't want it to dry out. But yeah, I'm assuming that it's going to have some sort of twisted wand as well. So yeah, that's really cool. I can't wait to try that. I have to try it next week. And the last product is another makeup product. Hallelujah. And it is this ModelCo Metallic Eyeshadow Trio. It is $18, available at the ModelCo website. Looking for your next go-to trio, we have the best one yet. This trio by ModelCo features 3 on-trend foiled effect eyeshadows, perfect for creating statement looks, each loaded with endless pigment and maximum blendability. This will be a staple in your makeup kit. So we could have gotten St. Barts, St. Lucia or Mykonos. I got St. Barts. So some rosy sort of tones. So those are the shadows that I got there. So we've got a bronze, a more maroon, and then like a little rose gold one right there. Now they look so nice. Like so creamy, so much pigment. There's just like one swipe. I cannot wait to actually play with these on my eyes. These look really good. Like such good quality. Look at that metallic shine. Like come on. So yeah, that's everything I've got in my BellaBox, and I have to say I am loving this month's box. They did such an amazing job. The only product I'm probably second guessing myself about is the tea bag, and that's the bonus, so I never really include the bonus in the products of the box. But yeah, we got 2 makeup products, mascara, some eyeshadows that are really creamy, a foam conditioner, a face mask that like makes my skin feel and smell amazing, and something I've never heard of, like it's a cleanser for evening skin tone. So I'm really excited to try that as well. So I am so happy with this box. Like, this one has been so good. I haven't had a great one in a long time. This was an amazing box. So BellaBox, I'm really loving what you're doing. There's some fun, exciting products that, we haven't had. Like, I know things like, a conditioner, a sheet mask, a cleanser, a mascara, they seem like normal products, but they've picked some really good and interesting ones, like a foam conditioner. I've never heard of that. Can't wait to try it. It smells amazing. That face mask, like, smells amazing. My skin feels amazing. The tea, not for me, but that's a bonus product anyway. And the makeup, like, this box is a winner. I'm really, really happy about this box. So yeah guys, comment down below what you guys got in your box. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. See you guys. Just gonna use the mask to take away that foam.